Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a question I get asked a lot. What's the minimum balance I need to open an account at Regions Bank? Before we dive into that, let's talk about why it's important to understand minimum balances. Knowing this information can help you choose the right bank account for your needs and avoid any unexpected fees. So, what's the minimum balance to open an account at Regions Bank? Well, it depends on the type of account you're opening. For checking accounts, the minimum balance to open is usually $25. However, some Regions Bank checking accounts have higher minimum balance requirements. For example, the Regions Interest Checking Account requires a minimum balance of $2,500 to earn interest. For savings accounts, the minimum balance to open is typically $100. However, some Regions Bank savings accounts have higher minimum balance requirements. For example, the Regions Premier Money Market account requires a minimum balance of $10,000 to earn interest. It's important to note that these are just the minimum balance requirements to open an account. You may need to maintain a higher minimum balance to avoid monthly fees. Now that we know the minimum balance requirements, let's talk about some other factors to consider when choosing a bank account. Fees. Banks may charge fees for things like overdrafts, ATM withdrawals, and monthly service charges. Be sure to compare the fees charged by different banks before opening an account. Interest rates. If you're looking to save money, you'll want to choose a bank account with a high interest rate. Other features. Some banks offer additional features like mobile banking, online banking, and direct deposit. Consider which features are important to you when choosing a bank account. Now that you know all the factors to consider when choosing a bank account, you're ready to open one at Regions Bank. Here are the steps you need to follow. Choose the type of account you want to open. Gather the required documentation. Visit a Regions Bank branch or open an account online. Once you've opened your account, be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully so you understand all of the fees and requirements associated with your account. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, I'd like to thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.